going down in the incredibly frustrating night of the Arsenal. Also, there were some half-hearted boos against the referee, that is the Slavako wing kick, when he also blew for the full time. But the Gunners fan will also be known for their team that didn't do nearly good enough also to win the game. It was a night that promised so much fun. It was the first time a Champions League semi-final had been played at the Emirates in 16 years and had been one of the biggest occasions in the history of the Arsenal Football Club. Fans turned the volume up of the 11 in the build-up of the game, that you would sense that was coming. I'm thinking something special that was all involved in the North London. But the Osman, that is the early goal, was the perfect antidote for the Paris Saint-Germain to counteract a hostile crowd inside the Emirates. PSG impressively managed the game from then on, breaking up the play with the fouls on the extended treatment for the players who went down injured to ensure the Arsenal could never find any real rhythm. Across the pitch, players were relentless in their pressing and hounding of the opposition. Vinita and the João nerves in the particular barely allowed the Arsenal midfielders space to breathe. Also, the Gunners are formidable opponents at the home and were unbeaten in 11 Champions League games at the Emirates coming into this evening, including 9 clean sheets. Just scoring a goal here in the North London is difficult enough, much less than winning a match. PSG did both after winning the first leg to 1-0. Also afterward, Paris Saint-Germain also manager, that is the Lewis, was keen to highlighting just how far this tie is from the being over. Also, it did on the Tuesday in London. An early goal in the second leg in France could quickly after and alter the course of the tie. I think the match had different phases also, Incrick told the reporters. At the start, there was an incredible atmosphere and impressive noise. It was deafening, but we scored an early goal and that gave us a lot of confidence and momentum. Also, Arsenal began to dominate more in the second half and were dangerous. The result is good. It could have been better and it could be better in the future. Also, everything can change with one goal. We lost the first leg against the Liverpool at home and then went on the Anfield and